For the repair of the EPC 50OP PCBs by Alfa Laval, the following procedures were necessary: replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the units. For testing, we add a 24-volt DC power supply. As we add the necessary power supply, after a while the unit self-initializes. The same process is repeated for the second unit. As well as the third. No further testing possible due to a lack of additional units. It is now clear that the units are working successfully and are ready to be delivered to the customer.